All right, just got the RYOBI 1 plus 18 volt fogger, and we're going to do some indoor fogging, we're going to do some outdoor fogging, and just going to do the quick unboxing here. So just went ahead and opened the top, and much like most of the RYOBI units, basically it's ready to go right out of the box. So there's the unit. It's obviously got a cap. It needs to go on here. That's for the liquid. It needs to be fogged. There's the battery. So it does come with yet another charger and a battery. So I got a lot of these now. But I'll go ahead and use that one. But I've got about a half a dozen different RYOBI 18 volt 1 plus system. Kind of nice that everything works together, just interchange. So there's the cap. Got some instructions. Review to win. Write a review. All right, well, this is a review. But I'm going to go ahead and pause it. I'm going to fill this up with a substance. I'm doing an anti-mold fog, the concrobium, and I'm going to go ahead and pause it. We're going to start again here when it's loaded up. Actually, just before that, there's this little brown ring that comes with it, just in case you were wondering. It just seats like that. You just put it in, and then it makes a nice watertight seal. Okay, I'm going to fog with some anti-fungal here. You notice if you go up at too high of an angle, it puts a jet of fluid out instead of a mist. This is the battery from the factory. Clearly needs to be charged. I got other batteries, but it's working pretty well. There it is. I think it works pretty well for what you pay for it. For $100, I think that's a good investment.